Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube TV with the account that pays for the subscription. Once signed in, open Settings and go to Billing. This is where payment controls live. Make sure your new card number, expiration, CVV, or PayPal login is accessible before you begin. Doing this cuts errors and saves time. If you see two-factor prompts, follow them now. After you enter credentials, double-check the account, email, and billing address so charges land on the right statement. Once done in billing, click Manage Payment Methods and choose Add Payment Method to input a new card or link PayPal. Enter card number, expiration, CVV, and billing address exactly as your bank has it. Mismatches trigger declines. After adding, select Make Primary so future invoices charge the new method. If you prefer, remove the old card by choosing Remove. However, keep at least one active payment option to avoid service interruption. You'll see a confirmation that the primary method changed. To finish, review billing history and notifications to confirm the new method was authorized. YouTube TV often posts a small temporary charge or a confirmation line. If the payment fails, make sure the billing address, postal code, and 3D secure prompts were completed. Also check for bank blocks on streaming or online purchases. If you still can't update, contact YouTube TV support with your account email and the last 4 digits of the card. They can trace the error and restore service quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.